Markup is the difference between the selling price of a product and the cost price of a product. In retail, this is usually the difference between the price the retailer buys the product for from the wholesaler and the price they sell the product for to the customer. If the business buys one t-shirt from a wholesaler for £10, then sells that t-shirt to the customer for £15, then they've got a markup of £5. This £5 difference from what they bought the product for from the wholesaler to what they sold it for to the customer is known as the markup. Businesses often calculate markup as a percentage. So in this particular example, that would be a markup of 50%. Let's have a look how a business can calculate markup as a percentage. To calculate markup as a percentage, the business needs to know two figures. These can be found on the business's income statement. These figures are gross profit and cost of goods sold. And the formula for calculating markup as a percentage is gross profit divided by cost of goods sold times 100. Using this formula will give you markup as a percentage. So let's put this formula into numbers using the income statement on the screen. We've identified our gross profit figure to be £50,000 and the cost of goods sold figure is £25,000. 50,000 divided by 25,000 equals 2. Now all we need to do is multiply that 2 by 100 to give us markup as a percentage. 2 times 100 equals 200%. This shows us that the cost of goods sold were £25,000, and once these goods were sold, the business made £50,000 in gross profit, resulting in the business having a markup of 200%. Now it's time for you to have a go at a practice question. In this scenario, we've been given an income statement for a business called Tom's Tops and need to calculate the markup for this business by using the figures on this income statement. Pause the video now if you want to have a go by yourself, or wait a few seconds and we'll go through the answer together. First, we should write out the formula in words for calculating markup. This is gross profit divided by cost of goods sold times 100. Next, let's find these on the income statement and put that formula into numbers. We have a gross profit figure of £120,000 and a cost of goods sold figure of £80,000. 120,000 divided by 80,000 equals 1.5. Then we times that by 100. In this case, the markup for Tom's Tops is 150%. Well done if you got that answer, and if you want to have a go at more practice questions, then download the worksheet in the description of this video.